Do you have a story of your own? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shrikant Juneja from Center for Learning and Development, Lloyd Law College. Well, nowadays it's all about having a good storytelling skills. It matters less on what you have to speak, but more on how you would share it and speak it. Having a good storytelling skills would help you to put the desired impact on your receivers and audience, and to also have a better fan following and self-branding. So let's talk about the structure of the storytelling skills. Well, you all have your speech. If you have the storytelling of your own, there are few things that you can take care of. One could be introduction to your own world, how you live, how you approach, how you talk. What's your world? What's about your introduction? They're all about the challenges that you've faced in your life, all about the barriers, the hassles, and everything related to that. Does someone come in, your mentor, coach, or anyone who can help you or who had helped you in the past suddenly change the way you think, your perception, and your actions? And then after that, what are the changes that you had in your life? It's all about ingredients that you can add in your storytelling. It's all about structure of storytelling. And now I will also tell you the three tips that you can add in your content or your speech when it comes to good storytelling skills. Number one is relatability. Now, how can you relate your story? The success moments, the failure moments, moments of humor, lighter moments, moments of magic, moments of misery, and how you express that. Number two is very important. That is epiphany. Epiphany means what is the climax of your story? Suddenly something happens someday and your life has changed. Realization, reveal, and suddenly you express it in a way that you connect with your audience, and now no one can leave you because you're in the mid of some very pivotal point. Number three is highlight. So after you talk about relatability, epiphany, now you need to highlight few things. So the proud moment you had in your life, something that you did, you made others felt proud. Highlight that. Again, I'll ask you, do you have your own story? Do you have your own storytelling skills?